Magnus CNC Electro-hydraulic 220T400 ohm press brake. Engineered with reinforced structure, no downgraded components, and industrial-grade configuration, delivering stable accuracy, long service life, and real production reliability. The machine frame is designed and verified through finite element analysis (FEA), ensuring optimized stress distribution, reduced deformation. European standard side guards as standard.no safety compromise for cost reduction. Electrical system built with original Schneider components from France, ensuring high reliability and long service life. The Innovance main servo motor provides precise and stable ram control with smooth, responsive motion. ET18 CNC system, designed for electro-hydraulic press brakes with stable and efficient control. Functions include 2D graphic programming, automatic calculation, collision detection, fast touch operation, offline programming, remote assistance, and stable performance for continuous production. Our machine is equipped with high-quality European standard press brake tooling. All tooling is precision machined and heat treated to ensure high-dimensional accuracy, excellent wear resistance, and long service life. One set of standard segmented upper tooling and multi-V lower die is included as standard. Custom tooling is available based on part drawings and production requirements to ensure optimal bending performance. Precision back gauge structure and motion system deliver stable movement and high positioning accuracy. Standard dual linear guides enhance rigidity and positioning accuracy while ensuring smooth, stable back gauge movement. Automatic crowning table ensures consistent bending accuracy by compensating for table deflection under load. Quick change clamping system for fast, safe tool changes and higher production efficiency. Precision engineered and reinforced structure for superior rigidity and stability. Standard back gauge protective covers are provided to offer targeted protection for critical areas, such as the ball screws and linear guides, ensuring safety, operational stability, and easy routine maintenance. Standard stainless steel hydraulic oil tank for the main servo system, offering superior corrosion resistance, improved oil cleanliness, and extended service life. Magnus precision engineered machines, built for real production and long-term reliability.